We are all living in a particular cultural context. We are all having friends, neighbors, children. Everybody is connected with each other. So we must, as users of technology, whether we are content creators or we are consumers of technology, we should understand what is our responsibility, and we should try to be, I would say, as a citizen or as a user, we should try and see what my own boundaries should be. I should be able to define that and work within that. Making, let's say, if you are in your own living room, 4-5 persons, those jokes would be very different from a platform where you are basically broadcasting to the entire world what you want to say. Then we must understand that we are living in a social context, and I would say that we should understand that as a social responsibility.